OnePlus 6 markets itself as a phone that's better than the iPhone X, Google Pixel 2, and Samsung Galaxy S9. Reviews editor Jamshed Navari and games editor Rishi Alwani join host Pranay Parab to discuss whether OnePlus claims are true. We begin the episode by talking about OnePlus 6's marketing and the value proposition offered by the company. We talk about whether it makes sense to go and buy a flagship device from the world's biggest Samsung brand, or should you rather save the cash and get OnePlus 6. We discuss what you get when you buy the OnePlus 6, relative to its price in India and its specifications. We then compare this against what you get when you get a flagship phone such as iPhone X or Samsung Galaxy S9. Then we talk about the performance of the OnePlus 6. We ran extensive benchmark tests and real-world tests on the OnePlus 6, so that gives us a fair idea about its performance and how the smartphone compares against the best of the best. Then we talk about OnePlus 6 gaming performance and whether the smartphone can run some of the heaviest games available on the Android ecosystem. In both cases we give you an in-depth look at our testing process and whether the OnePlus 6 was able to handle these tests. Next up, the camera. This is the segment where we tell you how we tested the OnePlus 6 camera, whether it takes good photos, what its video performance is like, and whether the OnePlus 6 camera beats the Pixel 2 or the iPhone X. We also talk about battery life and whether the OnePlus 6 heats up during day-to-day usage. Finally, to make the buying decision simple for you, we answer a simple question: does the OnePlus 6 offer flagship performance at half the price of most flagship smartphones?